Whispers of force softly flow. Dew on the meadow starts to gleam. Sunlight on leaves begins to glow. Threads of the morning gently stream. Murmurs of mountain valleys play by a stream. Flowers slowly drift. Echoes in pine woods softly fade. Light on the ridges brightly breathes. Of hillsides slowly fall. Mist by the river starts to rise. Voices of night